Hi everyone, this is the Korean centers of the Rasin residential city. I have been staying here for 6 days. Well, I was detected positive. ये अपना चेटा है, केरला का है. Morning breakfast. Dal, sauces, banana, bread, butter, jam. Lunch has come, guys. Let me unbox. Yeah, this is here obviously dal. This is rice, yogurt, salad, spoon, water. This is the kubus, bananas. Guys, they are leaving today. आप कहाँ से है?
मैं इंडिया
केरला.
केरला
केरला कहाँ से?
केरला मलप्पुरम
मलप्पुरम से. और डिस्चार्ज हो गया. कितना साल हो गया चेटा इधर?
4 साल
4 years. He's working as a mechanic. He's serving in the garage. केरला मलप्पुरम से. ये बांग्लादेश का है. कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट? हाँ,
कुमिल्ला.
मिला. All right. Good evening. This would be my last dinner because I got the negative results. It is already declared and I may go tomorrow. Let's see and check it out. What will be the last menu for the dinner? Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's go. All as usual. This is alright. This is salad, lemon, cucumbers. Wow. Today is fish. Oh, dada, machi. Famous dal છે. Water bottle. And this is, yeah, obviously this is the rice. Keep aside. And this is the chapati, as usual. And this is the sponge cake. And this is the juice. This is the apple. All right. This is a cucumber, carrots, fish, very delicious fish, and this is the dal. Nice dal. Obviously this is a rice. Good qualities of the foods. Thank you so much. Enjoy a lot. Alright, man. Thank you.